Petra, please, ear cleaning.
Eh? You want me to clean your ears? Like ASMR? Or do you mean like physically? What? Oh, welcome to the Pentamo family and thank you for the gifts. Oh my god, they joined membership and immediately gifted. That's so Chad. Thank you thank you. The wording of the ear cleaning comment was just so funny.
Petra, ear cleaning, now!
Are you telling me to clean my ears? Are you saying what? Did you take a look into my ears or something? Maybe one day I will do ASMR. Once I learn to... Well, the thing is... when I debuted, I told my friends, I was like, I'm never gonna fucking do ASMR. That shit's embarrassing. I'm not gonna do embarrassing shit like that. I was like, that stuff's so embarrassing. I could never. But now that I think about it, I've done way worse. I've done much more embarrassing, humiliating things, I think. Oh my god! Life is painful, thank you! Thank you so much for the gifted! What are your most embarrassing streams? I don't know. I feel like every stream I do is pretty cringe and embarrassing, so... honestly, just pick a stream and watch and you'll know. I really need to put this one somewhere before I decide to do anything else, because this one is a huge pain in the ass. When I debuted, I told my friends, I was like, I'm never gonna fucking do ASMR. That shit's embarrassing. I'm not gonna do embarrassing shit like that. I was like, that stuff's so embarrassing. I could never.